Alright, there's the blue sky. Oh, that's gray sky. Blue sky's over there. Alright, there's my favorite spot, under the bike. So, we're going to check to see if the oil needs to be drained, because I know you never cleaned the oil tank out. Wonderful. Of course, the drain pan plug is loose, and you know, there's not much oil in the bike either. Of course, the owner said, oh, it's got brand new oil in it. Yeah, right. Brand new filthy oil. That looks brand new, doesn't it? Yeah, sure. I don't think that's 4 quarts in there either. Can you get the plug back? Is there an O-ring on it? Is there an O-ring in there?
A little shitty one.
I don't care, it's your O-ring, not mine. You don't think that would leak, do you?
No.
That's good. No, he's got sealer on top of an O-ring. That's even worse than an O-ring. No, I'm sure that's fine. For you, it's probably perfect. Yeah, maybe you should change your O-ring sometime in the future. Just to be different.
We gotta put a filter on there still?
What do you need a filter for?
What goes right here?
What? It just goes out the atmosphere, doesn't it?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? I don't know about that. Okay, move your pan out of here. You're making a mess. You got any oil in the tranny either, or you got empty too?
Huh?
You got any oil in your tranny, or is that empty too?
Probably empty too.
Yeah.
No, we didn't drain it. That should be fine.
You know, you said this was tried too and full of oil. You can always trust everything the customer has to say. Always, 100%. That's why you always check and verify. Okay, don't strip them too much. But you gotta tighten them up enough they won't fall out either. Okay. Okay, the plug is clean. That's because we were under here recently, instead of filthy like it was. Okay, what else is under here that we missed? There's your oil cooler. Alright, I got the footboard all back, bolted up here and here. Exhaust is all clamped up in there now. I had to go find a bolt. Somehow to get a bolt head up under there. That was fun. There's no access except through the back side over here. But finally got the bolt to drop down through the hole. Got the nut on there. Tightened it up. He said we don't need this bolt in here. I disagree. So got that. We even put air in the tire for him. It was flat. He said it was full. Low profile tire. Yeah, it was low profile, all right. It went up 3 inches when I put air in it. I put 2 longer bolts in here, locked washer, flat washer, and Loctite. They might stay put. Alright, the bag I guess could go on there whenever you want to. Remember where your bag was at?
Yeah. I want to check this, do this gas fill thing, remember? Put the,
Oh, the Petcock leaking? Yeah, we're working on that.
remember to put the oil, drain it out to our oil.
Oil goes into here. Yeah, put that in the, just put over the drain thing. Let's see, I'm assuming this is the motor. Yeah, appears to be tight. That's good.
Well, here's my filter.
Yeah, good. You want to reuse that filthy one, right? You would. Okay, we got a leaky Petcock, so we need some Petcock tools. Let's go on the other side of the bike, see what's going on over here. Okay, so we got more junk over here to deal with right now. So, be back a second. Alright, now we're back. Quarter wasn't working. Alright, ringtone's got in the way again. Okay, we have a leaky Petcock. It's been sitting for a year, but evidently there's supposed to be an O-ring up there that might be not in the right spot. Looks like it's all in the right spot as far as I can tell up in there. I don't see anything screwed up in there. Using the camera with the magnifying glass.
Alright, well I should be done in about 15.
Yeah, it looks like whatever's in there is in there. Okay, some kind of a plunger thing. Alright, so we're just going to have to deal with a leak here until it seals, I guess. I don't know. I gotta work on the clutch over here too. Okay, let's see how this gas Petcock is going to work here. Hardly leaks at all.
That's what we're doing now. He put on that last piece with the gas.
Let's slow it down a little bit.
Hold on real quick. No, he said just pull it off and then put it back onto the silky catch. Hello? 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 Yeah, hello? Yeah, I just gotta put that little cable piece on from whatchamacallit.
Hammer works the best. Down to a slow drip with a hammer.
Nah.
You know what's gonna happen when that fuel pump kicks in, don't you? That thing's gonna puke gas out of here like crazy.
But alright, let me see what's up.
Still dripping, but at least it's not pouring out. It's not working very well though.
Hold on. Look, he said do this.
Down to a drip.
Yeah, we already done popped it on off about 3 times. Still leaking, look.
There's a seal in there, it's no O-ring.
Yeah, I know, but it ain't doing its job.
You gotta take a little mirror, man, look and make sure that O-ring is up in there.
See, the hammer works the best. It goes down to just a drip after I hammer on it. It's the best it's gonna get.
Take a little mirror and look in there and see if that O-ring is sealed around it.
I couldn't see any O-ring up in there. I just see a plunger. It looks nice and clean. Nothing hanging, no debris or anything.
There's no O-ring in there?
Not that I could see.
It seals middle way.
Yeah. So I don't see anything up under there.
You gotta put an O-ring in there, a little small one.
I don't have an O-ring.
That's it, right in there.
If
There's one in there. It's got to be one in there. When you poured it out, it didn't come out.
Put your phone up in there.
You just push to the top of the. It might be pushed all the way to the top, and it came out to reach up.
Here, we'll let you look at it and see if you can see what you. I don't know what you're looking at, so.
Okay. I might know. Here, we'll put this in the position. Hold on, real quick.
you could see if you can look up under the phone.
Now,
Where's your phone at? There we go.
one more time.
Give me my flashlight.
It looks like there's one in there. Wait. Let me see. Go back. Shine that light where you just shined.
Trying to. There. There we go.
You see it?
No, I don't see it. I just see the.
right there.
It all looks like everything's up there where it belongs, whatever's in there, but
Yeah, it's pushed up there. It look like.
it's leaking like.
Pick and pull it down. That was gonna leak.
I'm not sure how that's gonna work. There's a pick up in there, or I mean, there's something pick on up in there.
Yeah, like right after those little balls right there. There's a
Yeah.
little range where it's in.
All right, let me play with the pick a little bit.
Alright, I'm about to try to do my thing. Alright.
Alright. I got my little pick set here to go in there and destroy something. I bet you I make it worse, not better. Alright. See what the hell's up in here. I sure ain't got a clue. Okay, there's the O-ring. I can see it now. O-ring looks fine. So there's the O-ring. So I'm going to go see if I can find something to put up in here. It looks like about one of the little small cylinder O-rings we had, but probably too big. So I'm going to go see if I can find something in the back. Okay, I went and found another O-ring. It's slightly bigger, maybe 30 thou different size. So I got to see if I get it to go in there. This is for the check valve on the tappet string for the lifters. So this one is definitely hard. Now if you let this one soak in some gas for a while, it'll probably swell up and start softening up, so that'll be our next trick. We'll try this one first, then we'll soak this and reuse it if we can make it work again. It's been dry for a while, so things dry out with age. Alright, let's see if we can see what the hell we gotta do in here.
Where to plug it?
There should be a cord somewhere around here. Bunch of plugs in a room there. Can't see where the O-ring's going here, so it doesn't appear to be going back in its hole. This is something you should do with the tank off the bike. Stupid ass phones.